Now I'm going to take a 22mm socket, take these lug nuts off. I'm going to take this wheel off. Now I need to support the rear axle, and I'm just going to use a screw jack. Just take some of the load off of the shock. That should be good right there. Now I'm going to use a 21mm wrench and hold the bolt on the lower shock, and then use a 21mm socket, loosen the nut up, and take that nut off. And take that nut off. And then I'll take a punch and a hammer and just punch the bolt out. If you have to adjust the tension on the screw jack, pull that out. Make sure that's loose. Now I want to get this top bolt out in the nut, and I'm going to use a 21mm socket, an extension, and from the back side, I'm going to hold the bolt. And on this side, use a 21mm socket. The nut off, slide the bolt out, grab it from the inside. And should be able to slide the shock out. If you have to, you can use a pry bar. Let's pry this out. And there we go. Slide the shock in position. And get the bolt in from the back side, and just slide the nut on. Before I tighten the upper bolt, install the lower bolt. May have to adjust the screw jack. Get that nut started. Now I'm going to torque this to 70 foot-pounds. And torque this one to 70 as well. Now I can lower the screw jack and set it aside. Take the wheel, put the wheel back on. Put the lug nuts back on. Now I'm going to tighten these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern or star pattern so that it tightens the wheel down evenly. All right, and I'll just go around again, double check. Good.